Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an MCQ for 1 mark from the CBSE sample paper 2025-26. Let's look at the question. If zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax squared plus bx plus c are equal, then c and b must have opposite signs, c and a must have opposite signs, c and b must have same signs, and c and a must have same signs. Okay, so let's find out which one of these is correct. So they've given you the polynomial f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And they've said that the zeros of this quadratic polynomial are equal to each other, which means its discriminant d must be equal to 0. And how do we find the discriminant of the polynomial? By using the formula b squared minus 4ac. Now, so because the zeros of the quadratic polynomial are equal, now b squared minus 4ac must be equal to 0. So that means b squared is equal to 4ac, or the value of a times c is equal to b squared by 4. Now we know that b squared by 4 is always greater than or equal to 0. Now why is it greater than or equal to 0? Because the value, even if you're given a negative value for b and you square it, it turns out to be a positive value. So b squared by 4 will always be greater than 0 or equal to 0. Now what does that mean? If b squared by 4 is greater than or equal to 0, then the value of a times c should also be greater than or equal to 0. Why is that so? Because we know that b squared by 4 is equal to ac. Okay, now let's look at the signs of a and c. If I take a as positive and c as positive, then a times c will be positive. That is, it will be greater than or equal to 0. Also, if I take a as negative and c as positive, then ac will become negative, which means it's less than 0. Now, if a is positive and is negative, then AC will still turn out to be negative and it's less than 0. Now if I take A as negative and C as negative as well, then A times C will become positive. So that will be greater than or equal to 0. So the possibility here is either A and C are positive or A and C are both negative. So the correct option is C and A must have the same signs. Okay, so that's option D. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.